Welcome to the Duolingo-style picture description test. This practice test is designed to help you improve your spoken English, build your vocabulary, and develop your ability to describe what you see. Think of it as a speaking practice challenge. Don't worry about making mistakes, just do your best, speak naturally, and see how far you can go. You will see a picture. Consider people, place, and details.
A man is working in a pharmacy. He is wearing a white coat and blue gloves. He is holding a bottle of medicine. There are many bottles on the shelves. He is putting white tablets into a tray. Another worker is in the background. The pharmacy looks clean and bright. The man is looking calm and serious. In the middle of the picture, a pharmacist is carefully sorting tablets into different sections of a tray. He is wearing blue gloves on his hands and a white laboratory coat. There are many shelves filled with bottles and medicine boxes behind him. A computer is on the counter next to the pharmacist. Another employee is working in the background. Different kinds of medicines are stored on the shelves around the room. The pharmacist looks calm and focused while preparing the medicine. A pharmacist is counting the tablets in the tray before putting them into separate sections. He is probably wearing protective gloves on his hands because he needs to keep the medicine clean and safe. The medicines are arranged neatly on the shelves, so they are easier to find. The computer on the counter is probably used to check prescriptions and patient information. Even though there are many medicines in the pharmacy, everything looks clean and well organized. The employee in the background may be preparing medicine for another customer. The clean and tidy workplace suggests that patient safety is important in this pharmacy. The pharmacist's serious expression suggests that he is concentrating on his work because every detail matters. In the center of the picture, the pharmacist, wearing protective gloves, is carefully dispensing medication, highlighting the precision and attention to detail required in pharmaceutical practice. Behind the pharmacist, the neatly arranged medicines reflect an efficient inventory management system that allows staff to locate products quickly. On the counter, the digital workstation likely allows staff to verify prescriptions, monitor stock levels, and maintain accurate records. Despite the large quantity of pharmaceutical products, the workspace appears uncluttered and professionally maintained, making it easier to work efficiently. The pharmacist's calm demeanor indicates that he is experienced and comfortable performing routine dispensing tasks. In the background, another employee appears to be working on a separate task, suggesting that several prescriptions are being processed simultaneously. Overall, the pharmacy appears to be a clean, well-organized workplace where accuracy, efficiency, and patient safety are clearly important. At first glance, this photograph appears to show a pharmacist dispensing medication in a modern pharmacy. In the foreground, the pharmacist is carefully sorting tablets into a container while wearing protective gloves, suggesting that hygiene and accuracy are essential parts of the job. What immediately catches my attention is the level of concentration on his face. Even though he seems relaxed, he also appears completely focused on the task in front of him, which creates the impression that he has considerable professional experience. In the background, another employee seems to be preparing medication as well. From what I can see, both staff members are working independently, yet their actions suggest a well-organized team working efficiently together. The pharmacy itself looks clean and orderly, with medicines neatly arranged on shelves and a digital workstation positioned on the counter. Judging by the equipment that's visible, technology probably plays an important role in checking prescriptions and reducing the possibility of errors. From a practical point of view, this image highlights the importance of accuracy, teamwork, and professional responsibility in pharmaceutical practice. On the face of it, this photograph depicts a pharmacist dispensing medication in what appears to be a modern, highly organized pharmacy. However, the image conveys considerably more than a routine workplace scene. What strikes me most is the remarkable level of precision reflected throughout the entire environment. In the foreground, the pharmacist is handling the medication with great care, while his calm expression suggests both confidence and a strong sense of professional responsibility. Rather than rushing through the task, he appears to be following a methodical process designed to ensure accuracy at every stage. In the background, another member of staff is engaged in a separate activity, which implies that several prescriptions may be processed simultaneously. Although each employee appears to be working independently, their coordinated actions create the impression of a well-structured workflow supported by effective teamwork. Throughout the pharmacy, the neatly arranged shelves, specialized equipment, and digital workstation reinforce the importance of organization and precision. Judging by these visible details, technology is likely to play a significant role in verifying prescriptions, minimizing human error, and maintaining consistent standards of patient care. Beyond its literal content, the photograph also communicates a reassuring sense of trust. The use of protective gloves, together with the exceptionally clean surroundings, emphasizes that patient safety and hygiene are treated as fundamental priorities rather than routine procedures. Taking everything into account, I'd argue that this image serves as a compelling reminder that excellence in healthcare is achieved through precision, teamwork, accountability, and an unwavering commitment to patient well-being.
Congratulations! You've now worked through every level, from A1 all the way to C2. Don't stop here. Go back to the beginning, look at the picture again, and record yourself one more time. Compare your new response with your first attempt, and notice how much you've improved in vocabulary, grammar, fluency, and confidence. Use this video as a training tool. Repeat it regularly, challenge yourself to use more advanced words and expressions each time, and keep pushing your English to the next level. Remember, fluency isn't built overnight. It's built through consistent practice.
If this lesson helped you, keep learning with the next video and continue upgrading your English one level at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.